So hi everyone, welcome to another video presentation. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to add roles and also add Active Directory domain services. So first is go to manage, then click add roles and features, and it will redirect you to installation type. Then click next. Then after that, click next until you arrive into the server roles. So in the server roles, click the Active Directory domain, then click the add features, and still click next, and still click next until you arrive in this Active Directory domain services. So in this part, you still need to click next and then proceed to confirmation. Then also after clicking, proceed to installation by clicking install, and it would take some time, so I'm just gonna cut this video. So as you can see, the installation is completed, so let's close. So as you can see in the top, there's a notification, so let's click the promote this server to a domain controller button. So as you can see in the deployment configuration, we have 3 deployment operations. So we'll be using the add new forest. And then after that is we'll be inputting our root domain name, which is the required domain name named ccs.uic.edu.ph. Then after that, click next. So once the deployment configuration is done, it would proceed into the domain controller options. So let's keep the Windows Server 2016 as the forest functional level and also the domain functional level. So let's proceed into the password. So for the password is we'll also be using the required password. And then click next. And then for the DNS options, click next again. And let's wait for the additional options. So as you can see in the NetBIOS domain name, it is named CCS, so let's use it. And then click next, then proceed to the paths. And then in this part, still click next. Also click next. So once you have arrived in the prerequisites check, click install, and it would proceed into the installation. So once the installation is done, your server or the virtual machine, it will be restarted. So as you can see, the CCS is added into the name. So let's check if the Active Directory and also the domain services is added in the server manager. So let's wait. So as you can see, the ADDS is shown in the dashboard of the server manager. So that's all. So we have successfully added roles and also added Active Directory and domain services.